Okay, we are back at Kyle's toy room, and today what are we gonna play, Kyle? We got these new trucks right here. Show everybody the truck. Yeah. Come on, show everybody the truck. What's the new trucks that we got? What truck is this? Show everyone. What happened? You're not stuck. There you are. Okay, good job. Okay, Kyle, show everybody your new trucks. Look at these. What we could do, Kyle, is we can make like a little monster truck course.
Yeah.
With the foam blocks. That'll be really fun.
Yeah.
What do you say? And then we'll go through the course with each and every one of these new trucks that we got. We got 4 new Tonka monster trucks. This is what is this? This is just a monster truck, and this one is
Recycling truck.
Recycling truck?
Yeah.
It could be a recycling truck. Could it be a garbage truck too? I guess anything with the forks, yeah. And then this one is no, this one. What is this? It's like a fire, like a tanker truck, huh? Yeah, that's a tanker truck. And this one is kind of Kyle's favorite. What is this? Tell everybody what this is. What kind of truck is this, Kyle? Kyle, what kind of truck? Show everyone. And this one is the school bus monster truck. It's kind of cool. It's got the stop sign right there. Look at that. Tonka Unified. Oh my gosh. And Kyle's shark monster truck. Look at that. Okay, so we're gonna get the foam blocks. All right, here we got a fish for them. Oh, okay. Oh, look at him. Kyle just monster trucked through that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, here we go. Here we go. What is this? Okay, go ahead. Hey, here comes tanker truck. Oh, can he make it? Can he make it? How's
No.
Monster truck just smashed up tanker truck.
No.
Oh no, it flipped. What? Here comes recycling truck. Oh my. What just happened? Hey, do you think recycling truck can go up here? Look at that. Okay, do it. Try it. Let me see it go up there. Oh, whoa! School bus truck just pushed. Look at that, dude. Recycling truck. Oh, he is tipped over. I think you need to flip him over. Help him. Oh, whoa. Look at school bus truck. Whoa, he's flying? Oh, and he smashed up recycling truck again? Oh my god. Look at this truck. Oh, what? No. Kyle loves this little noisy toy. Whoa. Yeah, okay, Kyle, alright. Okay. Now what? Next, what's the next dance move? Oh, whoa. What happened? What are you doing, Kyle? Whoa, what? Up here. Watch out, buddy. Be careful. Go ahead. Oh my gosh. You crushed all of the monster trucks. Oh my. You crushed them. He knocked down 3 monster trucks. There's one right there that actually made it. Monster truck made it. One there. You know, it'd be really fun. You know, we could play with these at the park. What do you say? Okay. What do you want to do? Okay, so he's got some a Lego board. And what is he gonna do?
This one.
Well, where's the truck? He tucked it down underneath the slide, that's why.
Yeah.
Didn't even touch it.